Friends, Namaste. Today we'll be talking about ISO and business development, how organization will be benefited in developing their business by ISO. Towards the end of my presentation, I will be sharing you some of the results conducted to check the effectiveness of ISO management systems. Friends, a integrated ISO management system will have many benefits to the company. What are those benefits? Like sustainability. Due to a very good system in place, company will be moving towards sustainability. And due to the very good objective and targets, organization will be moving towards a green business entity. Since the issues, problems will be addressed through ISO, the business continuity will be assured. Nowadays, business continuity (BCP) business continuity plan is the discussion everywhere. Then transparency will be maintained by which all the stakeholders, employees, financial institutions, legal authorities, everybody will be satisfied. And ISO will bring a positive culture in an organization. So everybody will be thinking positive. And last but not the least, the customer satisfaction. More of the customers will be happy through the systems. So they will be assured that their business will not going to be affected due to any issues in this company. So these are some of the benefits of the company, benefits of IS to the company. Then what next? What we have to do with these benefits? These benefits will not stop at this point, my dear friends. This will lead to the opportunities. We need to explore the opportunities coming out of this uh, benefits. What are those opportunities? Let's see. What are the opportunities? Like new business opportunities, addition of customers. We have seen many companies uh, going for ISO certification. When we ask, they tell us that yes, we are going for ISO certification because of new customers, because new customer wants ISO companies. So this is one of the very good opportunities which you need to explore. Second, being the geographic expansion of the company. So organization can compete at global level. The organization can move from local to global. And third, being the investment opportunities. Since systems are placed, since business continuity is assured, many investment partners will be ready to invest in your organizations. So they will be very happy to invest. This is one of the very good opportunity. Next, with the diversification. So you can keep on adding the products. So the system will be in place for one product. The same systems can be copied with changes required to the other product also. So these are some of the opportunities which organizations needs to explore by implementing a very good ISO management systems. See, any organization, any business growth or economic growth is possible only by addition of projects, addition of product, addition of customers, or addition of any other new investments. So all these things will be assured through ISO. Friends, and this is very interesting. Study was conducted to check the effectiveness of ISO, and these studies were conducted in European countries. Study one, which has very good impact of ISO, where it has reported that around 28% of the GDP growth in Nordic countries and UK is because of ISO. So is ISO's contribution 28% of the GDP. Second study, which was conducted in France, so according to this study, around 66% of the companies which were surveyed, they are telling that they are moving towards profit, and around 69% of the companies surveyed, and they are of the opinion that they have got a positive impacts. So this is the benefit of the ISO. This is the reality which was checked by conducting a study. Friends, this is not my story. This is not my theory. This was published, or this is published in ISO website. The link is also provided. You can please go and check it by yourselves. Friends, hope the video was useful. So I have seen how an effective ISO management system can benefit companies in business growth and also in economic growth. So let's try to implement an effective ISO management system where the economic benefits can also be realized. Thank you very much.